Hello everyone, welcome the students of class 7. Today we are starting with chapter number 1 of your Weaver's book that we have been provided. So we'll start with chapter number 1. The name of the chapter is The Dentist's Alien. Okay, this is a wonderful story of a small child, and this child happens to undergo a minute dental operation or something like that. So for that reason the dentist has provided him a headgear. Okay, headgear means, as a, you can have that picture also in your book, page number 4. You can see a girl wearing a headgear. Okay, so that kind of headgear was given to him, and a chin guard, understood, यहाँ पे, और elastic was there. So that kind of headgear and was given to him, and this small boy was given that headgear. So the problem was that he was thinking that how to go to school, and when I go to school, what will be the reaction of the students and the teachers? Okay, they will think me as an alien. Okay, so that is why the name of the chapter is The Dentist's Alien. There is no alien in the story. The boy is only thinking himself as an alien because he was looking very, very strange. Okay, so let's go through the chapter then. Okay, same page number 1. You can sit with a pencil, okay, and you can underline the words wherever you feel that it is tough. So, Mom, I can't go to school looking like this. Why can't I be homeschooled like Meena? So the boy is saying that, Mom, I cannot go to school. Why? Because this way I cannot go to school. Mom, can I be homeschooled? Homeschooled means घर में ही उसको स्कूल जैसा सब एकदम he wants like that, means provided everything, the facilities that are provided in the school, he wants everything to be provided him to the home. So he is saying that, can't I do those things like Meena, one of her friend, उसको भी तो homeschool कराते हैं, can't I do like that? So Kairav, we have been over this. You can't stay away from school for months on end. Where is that water bottle with a straw? Asked his mother firmly. So the boy's name is Kairav. Okay, so Kairav, you can't do this. How long will you sit at home? For months and months will you sit at home and no need to go to school for this silly reason? Stop saying all those giving excuses. Okay, so where is your water bottle with a straw? Straw wala pipe wala bottle is there, no? Where there is a straw, you have been taking in class nursery KG. So that kind of water bottle. Why? Because that straw, he cannot take water like this. So he will have that straw will go inside his mouth and he can sip the water properly with that water bottle. So his mother is saying that, stop giving those excuses. Where is the water bottle? Tell me, and get ready for the school. Okay, so then third paragraph, Kairav looked at his face in the mirror. The dental headgear with forehead and the chin guards, okay, with removable elastic bands look grotesque. Grotesque means very strange. बहुत अजीब लग रहा था वो, and he went in front of the mirror and he said that, looking his face, I'm looking so strange. Okay, so it looked worse than his classmate Chitra's stainless steel mouth. One of her friend was also there. Her name was Chitra in the class. Okay, she was also wearing a stainless steel guard. You have seen, no, people, if their teeth are not proper, no, they wear a tooth clip in their mouth. Teeth को shape में लाने के लिए they wear a steel band. That is known as brace, B-R-A-C-E. Okay, so one of a friend was there, Chitra, and that Chitra used to wear a brace, okay, on her mouth. So he is saying that मेरा शक्ल तो is looking worse than Chitra also. Understood? Chitra का steel का mouth से भी बदतर लग रहा है. Understood? So how will I go to school? So his tears welled up. आँख में आंसू भर गया. Okay. At the thought of the name calling. Name calling means he is thinking that मुझे क्या क्या नए नए नाम मिलेंगे. Alien, भूत. Understood? Whatever names he will get. So he is thinking name calling. मुझे name calling से और डर लग रहा है. He would be suffering. Clear? Next line. He brushed his tears away quickly before crybaby could be added to the list. He आँख और पोछ लिया. Why? Because अगर होएगा then people will say cry baby, okay, quote unquote cry baby. So he wiped up his tears and he said that अगर रहूंगा तो फिर वो लिस्ट में cry baby का नाम भी आ जाएगा. So cry baby भी बताएंगे लोग मुझे. So let's not cry so much. He wipes up his tears. He needed a plan to deal with all the bullying he would have to face at the school. Bullying, उसे bullying किया जाएगा, मतलब गुस्सा दिलाया जाएगा, bullying. Okay, so he was thinking for a plan how to react when people will come and bull me up. Okay, so he was thinking all those for a strategy or a plan. Okay, clear this much? Is it clear? Next day, Karev's mother went to school with him for a meeting with his teachers. The day began differently. Next day, Karev also was going to school and his mother also came with him, and both of them they went to the school because his mother wanted to meet with the teachers. बहुत दिन बाद जा रहा था school and बच्चा भी मम्मी के साथ school गया था. So no physical education. He says that. Okay. No craft. Yay. No drama. Yay. No assembly. Yay. He says these things. Okay. So he is saying that मुझे ये सब क्लास में नहीं जाना पड़ेगा because he was wearing a headguard. No physical education. No craft. No drama. Okay. Karev heard his classmates rush into classroom and skid to a stop. He took a deep breath. Now what did Karev was first in the class, so he went into the class and sat down. Karev, what he looked, that all his classmates were coming and they were stopping at a particular corner. Okay, so Karev thought that what was the problem? सारे आ रहे हैं वहाँ पे रुक जा रहे हैं, क्या बात है? Understood? So Karev का सांस अटक गया. Understood? So he took a deep breath. What happened? There is an alien in the room. Sanjay's shrieking laughter broke the intense silence. What happened? So one boy said that, Sanjay, he said that there is an alien in the room. Understood? Everybody told him that he was an alien. Okay. So next, I am starring in a sci-fi film, said Karev calmly. Karev ने बोला हाँ मैं फिल्म शूटिंग करने जा रहा हूँ. I am an alien. I am starring in a sci-fi film. So don't laugh at me. Okay. मैं एक एक्टर हूँ और मुझे शूट किया जा रहा है in a film. Okay. So don't laugh so much. उसने जवाब दे दिया, पहला जवाब. Loser. The face is a loser. Okay. So called Shekhar. One of our friend comes and said that you are a loser. Okay. So again Karev thought that how to respond it. इसको कैसे जवाब दूँ? I ran into a wall. You should see the wall. Karev grinned as widely as the elastic would let him. Okay. So what happened? He said that okay loser. He said that loser. तो Karev ने दौड़ के दिखाया. Understood? He went to a wall and he showed himself that he can run also. Okay. So what happened? And he smiled like this. Grinned. Underline the word grinned and write down smile. Okay. Smile very broadly. उसे बोलते हैं grinned. Okay. So he smiled that way. Hey monster, can you breathe? Okay. So he is saying that hey monster, can you breathe? I am going scuba diving next week and I am testing the equipment, Karev retorted. Okay, so what happened was that one of his friend comes and says that hey monster, can you breathe? So Karev said very nicely, yes I can breathe and I am going for a scuba diving the next week. Scuba diving means, what do you mean by scuba diving? Scuba diving means you have seen the people wearing all those strange equipments and they dive inside the water with all those instruments they wear in the body. I don't know you have seen or not, in Discovery channels it is shown. So बताता है I am going for a scuba diving. Okay, so इसका भी जवाब वो दे देता है. Okay. The comments died down when the teacher walked in. Comments went off when the teacher walked into the class. सारे ताने वाने सब बंद हो गया था, सब कुछ silent हो गया. Does it hurt? Chitra, seated next to him, asked softly. Chitra was the girl, remember, who was wearing a brace teeth. Okay, उससे कभी भी बात नहीं करता था Karev. Understood? When he was normal, because he was wearing a stainless steel mouth. So that girl only coming and saying that, does it hurt, Karev? She asked very softly. Okay. Then Karev had barely spoken to her all term. शायद ही बात किया होगा. He had barely spoken to Chitra throughout the term. Now he looked almost sympathetically at the bands in her mouth, and that girl only with whom Karev never talked. Okay, that girl was only looking at Karev sympathetically, means in a very kind manner. Okay, she was looking at Karev. Understood? Okay. Now next, what happened? Break time was the real test. Now the break time, tiffin time. You know, tiffin time, बच्चों का शरारत double हो जाता है. Everybody does their best in the tiffin time because no teachers are there and all the friends are together in the tiffin time. Now Kairav की छुट्टी होने वाली थी, understood? So Kairav was waiting for the tiffin time, and tiffin time was the real test for Kairav. Okay, now see what happens. Okay, so the game they were playing. Okay, next paragraph, last paragraph, page number 2. You can see this page. Okay, so page number 2, is it visible? You can copy it properly. Now the game was Mirage in the Desert. A game his classmates made up began. So all the students, they had assembled in a place and they were playing a game named Mirage in a Desert. The cool and sweet water flowed from the tap. Dry lips and thirsty throats longed for it. The dare was to let it all flow out. What was the game I'm telling you? The game was they had opened a tap, okay, and everybody had to go in front of the water which was flowing through the tap, and they had to take water inside. They have to make their hands cup like this, cupped their hands, ऐसे बनाना है, and they have to means go in front of the water and they have to touch their throat, okay, and the lips in front of the water, with the water, without drinking the water. If you drink the water, the cool water, the sweet water which was flowing, if you drink it one sip also, और आपके throat में अगर दिख जाता है, if you do like this, that means you are out. Understood? और नीचे एक बॉटल था, ठीक है, पानी बिना पिए बॉटल आपको भरना पड़ेगा. And who does that? He wins the game. So this was the game Mirage in a Desert. Interesting? Try नहीं करना. Why? पानी waste होता है. Okay, so don't try it at home doing like this. Okay, your mother will beat you because you will be wasting the water. Don't do that. But these naughty children, they were playing that game. The game was Mirage in the Desert. They were going and they cupping the hands and they were sipping the water. Okay, so this was the game. And the minute their throats moved to swallow it, they lost the challenge. As I told you, throat silna matlab challenge, they are lost. The largest amount of spilled out water caught in an empty wide-mouthed bottle held below the cupped hand signaled the winner. Who will be the winner? There will be a bottle just like you can see in the book. Without drinking the water, who can fill the bottle will be the winner of the game. Very good. Page number 3, last page of this book, of this chapter. One by one, the boys cupped their hands, allowing the cool water to touch their lips without drinking it. Most of them failed almost as soon as they began. इतना गर्मी था, the water was so cool, कोई बिना पानी पिए रह ही नहीं सकता था. As soon as they started, they failed. Okay, so they swallowed the water out of force of habit. Okay, so it was just because the habit. So what happened? They started sipping the water. Kairav stepped very confidently and the chin pad hardly wet his lips. As I told you, Kairav was wearing a chin pad. Okay, pad यहाँ पे. So that was protecting the water to touch his lips. And what happened? The water overflowed the bottle. और water क्या हुआ वहाँ से? It went inside the bottle. And they had a winner very clearly. So there was a clear winner. What happened? Kairav won very without any problem. Wow, you are a king, man, Shekhar said, unable to hide his admiration. Admiration means encouragement, okay, or you are praising, okay, something like that. He started admiring, he started praising Kairav and saying, you are a king, man, you won the game. If I never wear this mask, will I turn into a gorilla? Sanjay asked. Okay, so he says that one of his friend comes and says that अगर मैं मास्क नहीं पहनूं तो मैं गोरिल्ला हूँ, और अगर वो मास्क पहना that means he's a king. So one of his friends says, so no, you would look like you're auditioning for a huge whale in an animation film. So somebody comes and they started making fun of each other. Okay, so somebody says that no, you will not look like a gorilla, you will look like a whale. The ensuing laughter invited Kairav back into the gang. Ensuing means something which happens, means as a result, consequence, as a result हुआ. So everybody started laughing and what happened? Kairav सबका दोस्त बन गया फिर से. So Kairav and Sanjay, Shekhar, everybody, they started laughing, they made fun of each other, and Kairav was again taken back into the group of their friends. They were taken into the gang. Okay. 18 months later, 18 months means 12 and 12 months में 1 year, so 1.5 years after, 18 months later, Kairav and his mother were sitting in the dentist office. His mother sighed. His mother was again sighing. Sighing means taking a deep breath like this. Okay. So this kind of breath his mother was taking. I am so glad the mask is coming off your jaw and looks okay. So his mother was saying that I am so happy, dear, that your mask is coming out after 1.5 years, and I'm so happy for you. Yeah, I won't look like a gorilla, so Kairav said to his mother. Turning out the dentist, he eagerly asked, when I'm going to get the braces? So Kairav was so used to it, understood, he was so habituated of using it, he started asking the dentist that, sir, when I'm going to get that braces means tooth wala kab milega, ye to khul gaya, when I'm going to get that braces? His mother and the dentist burst out laughing at Kairav, ki ye dar raha tha, ab ye dusra cheez mang raha hai. So this was a beautiful story. With this we come to the end of this beautiful chapter. In the next session you will be given worksheets and many other handwritten notes also. I guess you enjoyed this chapter. Thank you very much.